Hello guys, welcome here. Thank you so much for joining me. So you guys, for today's video I'm about to share with you my Boxycharm Popup haul, and you guys look at this. I have a lot of stuff to share with you. Super excited for that. And also you guys, in this video there is a giveaway. I'm super excited for my first ever giveaway. So I'm going to give away to one of you guys this Natasha Denona palette, which was exclusively made for Boxycharm. So I have already received this in my Boxycharm box. This one I picked up for one of you guys because this is a gorgeous palette and you cannot buy this anywhere else. So yeah, I thought this is so cool to give to one of you. So I have grabbed this for one of you, and also I have this Moda Metallics 2-piece Ultimate Eye Sculptors. This is 2-piece brush set from Moda. This is a very good brand for brushes. And also this beautiful looking lipstick set. This one also I received in my Boxycharm box earlier. So I ordered one more to give one of you. So yeah, these lipsticks are gorgeous. That's how it looks like inside. Very pretty. Formula is beautiful. Packaging is beautiful. Okay, in order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up and let me know what was your favorite product from Boxypopup. And that's it, you guys. I will not say to subscribe to my channel if you want to enter the giveaway, because I feel that you should subscribe if you feel like, right? Okay, anyways, you guys, now I'm about to share with you what I have picked up from Boxypopup. These products are extremely cheap, you guys. 80 to 90% discounted, which is unbelievable and unreal. Okay, first off, I want to show you this Natasha Denona palette because I want to give this one of this to you. That's why I want to show you the shades and everything in case you're interested to enter this giveaway. So that's how the shades are. You cannot get this palette anywhere else because this was made for Boxycharm. It has Natasha Denona's gorgeous formula, and these shades are so wearable and beautiful. Also, I have grabbed this Farsale rose gold skin mist. I was super excited to see this at Boxypopup because I have heard great things about this, never used this before. And also from Natasha Denona, I have this foundation from Boxypopup. This is Transform Matte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. Mine is in the shade 25NY, and let me show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, you guys. Comes in a tube. I love tubes packaging with a pump, and because these are so convenient to keep in your bag, and I don't know why I really like tube packagings. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The best thing is they had all shades to choose from, and also if you wear MAC foundation, they have MAC shades recommendations as well, so that it will be easy for you to pick up your shade, perfect shade. So I found my perfect shade there, which is insane, and for so cheap. Okay, and you guys, this product was insane at Boxypopup for only $6. This is Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel in the shade 4. I will insert all prices somewhere here to give you guys better idea how much everything was. Okay, see, it's sealed and in perfect condition. So this is how it looks like. So many people love this stuff. I also do. So that's why I have ordered this for only $6. Great, right? And also I have this Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer from Boxypopup. This is what it looks like inside. I'm using this moisturizer, good for everyday use, moisturizing, great for my dry skin. Yeah, nothing much to say about it. This is a basic moisturizer and I really like it a lot. And this was insane, you guys. This is a Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This is one of her best seller product, and I remember I used to buy it at Sephora, small little size for $20. I don't know if still Sephora sells those, but at Boxypopup I think it was for 12. I will insert somewhere here. And you guys, this is full size of product. I really like it a lot to remove dull skin and dead skin cells from my face. Once in a week I use this. Really love this a lot, and of course worth buying from Boxypopup if you find it. And also I have this Dr. Brand antioxidant spray toner. This was also for so cheap. And I have also grabbed this Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. I have not used this yet, but this is how it looks like inside. Pretty good size for an eye cream, I want to say, and I'm excited to try this. It was also for $6, I believe, you guys. The prices are really unreal. And also I have this LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This product also I got in my Boxycharm box, and I really loved this a lot. That's why I ordered one more. It was also for so cheap at Boxypopup. And also I have picked up this Hip Dot palette. I really loved the color story on this palette. That's why I have ordered it. I have not used this, but that's how the shades looks like. Very pretty. And this brand is also vegan, paraben free, which is always very nice. And what else? And yes, you guys, I have picked up this Smile Sciences Strength Teeth Whitening Pens from Boxypopup. This is sealed. I have not used this yet, but excited. Let's see if it works or it do any good to my teeth. And also I have grabbed this Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brand. This was for $6, I believe. Excited to try this as well. And also you guys, a little while back I received this CRT London Everyday Veggie Setting Mist in my Boxycharm box. I love this a lot. Then I found it in Boxypopup for so cheap, so I ordered one more. So I have already finished with this one, so that's why I have ordered one more. Really love this a lot. Let me know if you guys have used this. This is one of my favorite setting spray at the moment. What else? I hope I have shared everything with you. Yes, I did. So this is all for today's video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to enter this giveaway. Also, please leave your email address in comment section so that I could contact you if you win. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.